Hey Jitwa, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what these are some wet pads and also some liquid solution that is used for your Swiffer WetJet. So obviously the WetJet has like different type. There's like the regular one, and then there's like the one for the hardwood floor. But regardless of which one you guys get, they both work really well for both hardwood floors and some other flooring as well. So the thing about this WetJet pad that's different than the regular Swiffer pad is the fact that the way how they make the pad is a little bit different. So for this one in particular, they made it so that actually works pretty well with the liquid. And by liquid, I mean the refill bottle right here, the solution or the water that they have right here. Whereas for the regular Swiffer, that one is using like a dry mat. So you just want to use that one, just clean off the floor and everything. So the way you guys think about it, the WetJet actually performs a lot better because it uses like a solution or like liquid to actually clean the floor to make it much more cleaner. And that way it can actually remove a lot of like the stains or residues that's on the floor, whereas the regular one cannot do that. One to remember is that when you guys do use the solution, you do not want to have it around like kids or pets. You want to make sure you guys use this when there's no kids or pets around. Just prevent any kind of like potential like injuries, or if they ingest like the liquid in here, you don't want that to happen. And then obviously for the mop, this is basically what it looks like right here. So you see we have the handle part on top, and they do have the little hook where you can hang on somewhere if you guys want to. And this slot right here is basically where you guys want to put in the container or the bottle inside right here. And then this is basically what the bottom part looks like. So you guys want to put the wet pad on the bottom right here to stick it on, then you start using it to wipe the floor and clean the floor as well. So let's open some of these to show you guys what the inside looks like. So obviously for this one and the mop, I cannot open it up because it's already open and the liquid just need to be poured inside. Then you guys can see the result later on. But this one right here for the wet pad, I can definitely open this up. So let's do that first. So when you guys first open it up, this is basically what it looks like. So the one that I got right here, it comes in a 15 pack, but there are some that come in like 30, 60, or 5. There's definitely a lot of different variation out there, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer or how many you guys need. But let's take out one of them to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like on this side, and this is what it looks like on this side. So I assume this is the bottom part and this is the top part, so you want to stick this onto the mat. Let me show you guys what I mean. Alright. So you just have to stick on just like that, and then you guys all set. Then all you're gonna do is just stick the solution in here, and then you guys can start using it. And then on the top part right here, on the actual mop, this is the button you guys have to press to actually dispense the liquid. So I press on this button right here. You guys can hear how it powers on the device, and that is a spraying option. And then this little button right here, when you guys press it down, basically what that does is to actually open up this part right here, so that way you guys can actually take out the bottle if you guys need to replace it or if you guys need to remove it. But that is basically everything that's on the product in terms of the mop, the refill, and also the pad. Now I'm actually bring it over to like the flooring and show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we can see we have everything all set up. I already put like the piece of paper, the refill on the bottom part right here. Only thing I need to do now is put this inside here and we can start using the product. So I'm actually move the box and then put the refill bottle inside and we start using it. So I just want to put the refill bottle inside right here and then push it down. Once you guys push it down, then you start using it. And when you guys are cleaning the floor, you just want to push this button right here to dispense the water from outside right here. And the water will actually spray from both ends right here. So let me show you guys how it works and when it actually works. So first thing I want to do is to press the button to activate it. And you guys can see water being sprayed on the front right here. Alright. You guys can see the liquid that's being sprayed out. So while you guys are cleaning the floor, you just want to keep spraying the button and you guys can see the liquid come out. So you guys can see the product itself, it definitely does work as we're spraying the bottle. It actually cleans really nicely. Alright, so when I finish cleaning up the floor, you guys can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. This is after cleaning like the whole entire living room that you can see right here, and also the bathroom as well. You can definitely see that's really nasty, so it definitely does work. And you can see that sticks on a lot of the pet hair as well. So definitely the product actually does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product. You can definitely see it actually does work and it works quite well. Obviously, like I mentioned, when you guys use the product, you want to make sure you guys don't have any kids or pets around. And when you guys actually finish using the mop to clean the floor, you definitely want to make sure to let it air dry before letting any kids or pet into the room. So that way you guys don't have to worry about your pets or kids ingesting the product. But you can definitely see from the test, everything works really well. It definitely cleans up your floor really well and also absorb and lock all like the dirt, your pet hair, or everything else. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing out the product, Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for all of these products, I would definitely have to say that it is really worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want an option where it doesn't only just stick like the dust, the dirt, and everything else from the floor. Instead, if you guys want a solution where you guys can actually clean it using like a wet solution, then this one is actually much more worth it than your regular Swiffer. But I'm not saying that the regular Swiffer is not good. Those are actually really good as well. If you guys don't want to like make a mess with like the liquid and everything, that is a really good option to go for as well. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.